Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to share your WhatsApp screen with someone. How to share your WhatsApp screen with someone. And not only your WhatsApp screen, your phone screen, any app or anything you're doing on your phone, you can share it to someone using your WhatsApp video call to share any screen. When you want to open Facebook, whatever, any screen or any settings or anything you want to do on your phone, you can share using your WhatsApp. You know your WhatsApp, though you are using WhatsApp yourself, but you can share the screen to someone. Maybe you want to do some settings or something on your phone, or you want to do something on your phone or WhatsApp or whatever, and you don't know how to do, and the person who will help you is far from you. You can share your phone screen with the person so that the person can guide you through. So in this video, I'll guide you through how to share your phone screen or your WhatsApp with someone. So let's start. Watch the video to end so that you not miss any step. So you launch your WhatsApp like this. The person that you want to call to share the screen with, you call him on WhatsApp. So this is the person. So I'll call this person here. So you call the person. You call the person on video call. The phone call, you cannot share your screen, only video call. So you call the person on video call. So this is the person. You call on the video call. So here, the person will pick the phone like this. And the person pick the phone. And the person pick the phone. You see, there's a three line dot here, down here. There's a three line dot. You click on it. You see, raise and share screen. So you click on the share screen. You see, share screen is private. So only the person that you are sharing the screen will see. So here, here you share the screen to. So the moment you click start recording, the person can see all your messages on WhatsApp. The person can read everything. So maybe this group, if you want to read something, or I want to show you something on the group, and I scroll this, the person can read everything on the group. Or if the person want to do some settings, or let me do some settings, I can go to settings, and the person will guide me through. So this is how to share your screen to someone. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye.